guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about hairstyling. So today I'll be doing 4 hairstyles, but I'll be showing so many variation in one hairstyle which would hardly take you 5 to 10 minutes, and you can easily carry it for a wedding or festival. As we all know, festive season is coming in, Rakhi is coming, then there's Ganpati, Navratri, so many festivals, so you can try these hairstyles. I know when it comes to hair, many of us feel like just keeping them open, but a simple twist to your hair can give your entire look an amazing upgrade. But as always, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also make sure to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Take a small section from one side of your hair, pull all the hair behind and start twisting it. Now pin it at the back. Now take another section exactly below from the top section and repeat the same. Take one more section and repeat the process. You can either leave your hair like this, or you can start twisting the other side as well. This time you need to twist hair on the opposite side. So if before you twisted on the left side, now you need to twist on the right side. Take two more sections and repeat the same. This is a second variation. Now you can either leave it like this, or you can just take all your hair behind and tie it in a pony. It's up to you. For next hairstyle, again take a smaller section from one side of your hair. Now from exactly below, take another section and twist it on top of it. Again take another section. Now mix it with the above section and start twisting. So basically just twist, take one section, again twist, take another section, again twist. Now take whole section behind and pin it at the back. This is the first variation, so you can either just leave it like that, one side open, or repeat the same process on the other side. This will be our second variation. So if you're someone who likes to keep your hair open, you can try this one, or you can again tie it in a pony. Now for third hairstyle, take one section from top of your hair till your ears. Place rest of your hair in a pony. Now leave some hair from front and start braiding the rest of the hair. Pull out some hair, it will give volume to your braids. Now take it to the back and pin it exactly below your pony. Repeat the same process on the other side. And this is the final look. You can try this on any traditional wear or even on a western outfit. This is the last hairstyle and most easiest hairstyle. Like it would hardly take you 5 minutes. Do a middle parting. Take a smaller section from one side of your hair and start twisting it behind. Pin it at the back. Repeat the same on the other side. And it's done. To make it more appealing, I am just adding some accessories. Got these from Beauty Center just for 80 bucks. So we are done with all the hairstyles. I tried to show as many variation as I can in one hairstyle, so you can pick your style whichever suits you. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and share, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye.